Yeah, guys, this is part 2 of my top 10. This is third place, Venom. Real name, Eddie Brock. Wow. Why him? Just look at him. Venom is like a monstrous alien version of Spider-Man. And he has very strong origins with him, because it used to be attached to him, literally. Right, this is second place, Dr. Octopus. Right. Real name, Otto Octavius. Why him? The combination of a warped but brilliant intellect and 4 incredibly powerful mechanical arms makes Dr. Octopus one of the most dangerous foes Spider-Man has ever faced. Wow. And first is Gaga, Green Goblin. Now, everyone here has been in Sam Raimi trilogy. I think they only put that in the comic because of that, but let's read it anyway. So, Green Goblin here. Real name, Norman Osborn. Why him? Take our word for it. The Green Goblin is quite simply the craziest, most terrifying and savage supervillain Spider-Man has ever faced. Man, he doesn't look scary, but you should see him in the movie. Creepy. Oh, and the Lizard's much more awesome than the Green Goblin. Just saying. And Electro? No, it's going to be in it, but Rhino's not in this top 10. Why isn't he, fans? Why isn't he? Tell us to the comments below. And see you guys later. Bye.